If you're trying to open Microsoft Word document and you see this message, Word found unreadable content, do you want to recover the content of this document? And when you click yes, you get another error message that says Word experienced an error trying to open the file. Then keep watching and I'll show you two simple methods to try to fix the issue. First, let's right click on the file that is giving you the problem. Click on Properties and let's copy the folder path from the location field. Now try opening the file even if it shows the same error. In Word, click on File in the top left corner, then choose More and go to Options. On the left hand side, select Trust Center, then click on the Trust Center settings button on the right. Now go to the Trusted Locations and click Add New Location. Paste the path you just copied and make sure the checkbox subfolders of these locations are also trusted is checked. Click OK, then close out of all windows. And try reopening the file. If it doesn't work, let's move on to the next method. Let's open Microsoft Word, just the program, not the file. Click on the options from the bottom and close the options window. Click on File, then Open, and choose Browse. Now let's navigate to the file giving you the error. Click on the file once just to select it, but don't open it. At the bottom right corner of the dialog box, click on the arrow next to the Open button. From the drop-down, select Open and Repair. Word will now try to fix the file as it opens it. If the document wasn't too damaged, it should open successfully now. And let me know in the comments which method worked for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips like this. Thank you for watching.